Maya, a free-spirited artist with a vibrant mane of curls, lived life like a splash of paint on a canvas. Her passwords, however, were as faded as a forgotten mural. She used Rainbow 123 for everything: her bank account, her social media, even her online grocery delivery. It was convenient, she claimed, like a familiar brushstroke. But convenience, like paint, can wear thin with time. One rainy Tuesday, while sipping cold brew and dreaming up her next masterpiece, Maya received a notification: usual activity detected on your bank account. A shiver ran down her spine, colder than the latte she spilled on her keyboard. Panic flickered like a dying flame in her eyes. Someone had used her Rainbow 123 gateway to drain her savings, leaving her artistic dreams adrift in a sea of zeros. Devastated and humbled, Maya sought refuge in the studio of her tech-savvy friend, Liam. He listened patiently, then chuckled, a gentle tinkling like wind chimes in the quiet studio. "Password hygiene, Maya," he said. "It's the difference between a masterpiece and a mud puddle." With Liam's guidance, Maya embarked on a digital makeover. She swapped her rainbow brush for a password manager, a secure vault brimming with unique, complex keys for each door in her online world. Two-factor authentication became her watchful guard. And Liam even gifted her a physical token, a tiny silver key, for an extra layer of protection. It wasn't easy at first. Memorizing random strings felt like learning a new language, and Maya missed the ease of Rainbow 123. But each saved login, each safe transaction, was a brushstroke of confidence she painted on her digital canvas. Her fear transformed into cautious pride, like a phoenix rising from the ashes of her old habits. Soon, Maya wasn't just protecting herself. She became a digital evangelist, spreading the gospel of password hygiene like vibrant hues across the internet. She warned friends, family, even the barista at her favorite coffee shop. "Don't let one paintbrush unlock your whole life," she'd say, her voice a brushstroke of hope. Years later, Maya, a renowned artist with galleries across the globe, still lived life with a splash of color. But now, each stroke was secure, each masterpiece guarded by a digital fortress of her own making. The lesson of Rainbow 123 remained a stark reminder: true security isn't convenience. It's art, a careful balance of beauty and strength. A masterpiece worth protecting with unique strokes of awareness. So remember, when it comes to passwords, don't let convenience be your downfall. Choose complexity, embrace caution, and paint your digital life with the vibrant colors of security. Because in the online world, just like in art, beauty and strength are always a matter of choice.